One mistake, one missed safeguard, can trigger disasters that cost lives, billions, and reputations. From Bhopal to Texas City, history shows us, safety is not optional. But how can we measure safety? How can we prove that enough safeguards exist? That's the story of LOPA, Layer of Protection Analysis. The problem. For decades, safety reviews were often subjective, based on opinions, emotions, or even the loudest voice in the room. Questions like, how many protection layers do we need, or, is this safe enough, had no clear answers. That's where LOPA emerged, bringing structure, numbers, and rationality to safety decisions. What is LOPA? LOPA is a semi-quantitative risk analysis tool. It doesn't give exact numbers, but it tells us if our protection layers are enough. By analyzing one accident scenario at a time, a cause and its potential consequence. LOPA asks, do we have enough independent protection layers, or IPLs, to keep the risk tolerable? How LOPA works. LOPA follows 6 clear steps. Identify consequences. What's the worst that can happen? Select a scenario, pair a cause with its consequence. Determine initiating event frequency. How often could this start? Identify IPLs, alarms, relief valves, dikes, operator actions, anything independent that prevents escalation. Estimate risk, combine frequency, consequence, and IPL reliability. Compare with risk criteria, is this risk acceptable, or must we add safeguards? Real example. Take a hexane surge tank. It normally runs half full, with alarms and dikes in place. But what if the level control fails? The tank could overflow, vapors could ignite, and a pool fire could erupt. Using LOPA, the team evaluates each safeguard, alarms, dikes, safety instrumented functions. If the analysis shows the risk still exceeds tolerable limits, management has a clear answer: add more protection. This prevents guesswork, replacing it with evidence-based safety. Benefits and limitations. LOPA is powerful because it's faster than full quantitative analysis, more structured than brainstorming, and gives defensible results regulators respect. It helps companies prioritize safety-critical equipment, focus maintenance on what truly matters, and ensure risks are as low as reasonably practicable. But remember, LOPA isn't perfect. It doesn't identify hazards, it only evaluates scenarios already identified. And its numbers are approximations, not absolutes. Takeaway. In the end, LOPA is not about paperwork. It's about people. It's about making sure that every worker goes home safe, every day.